successfully traveled 1,000 miles.
Oh yes! Look at the size of it!
Hey, welcome back to another episode, Getting Back to Basics. Today, this is a pretty special one. We are on a big walk to one of the best secret spots in the country, hands down. There's no guarantee we're going to get there. It's a hell of a hike, biggest sort of adventure, physical draining adventure we've done on this trip. We'll see how we go. The idea is we've got a little bit to stay overnight, so hopefully we get there before sunset, set up camp, have a swim, share it all with you guys, and then hike back tomorrow. But battery is a pretty precious commodity, so I'll just be turning the camera on when there's sort of anything special happening. So anyway, I'll see you in a couple of hours. This is amazing. How you going?
No crocs here.
No crocs yet. We're hoping the more of these little rapids we go over, the less chance of crocodiles. Only about 6 hours to go. The salt water is well and truly transitioned into fresh now, which is pretty cool. We're just kind of jumping up waterfall to waterfall. I think now on we should be safe from crocodiles. If a crocodile could get up there, he can have me, he deserves me. Although in saying that, I have seen him up places more peculiar than this. So anyway, we'll be safe, but I think now we should be right to sort of at least dip our toes in the water. So if you go straight across at that rock, you're doing well. Yeah. Alright, a couple of hours of pretty challenging country to walk through. Time for lunch. How is it, friend? Not a bad spot either, eh? Alright, so it's kind of like a combination of wading through the rapids and then you're coming through the thick rainforest. It's pretty tough going, eh? It's like maybe 33 degrees, bloody hot, 100% humidity, but check this spot out. That is incredible little swimming hole. Oh wow, look at the cave up there. That's awesome. It's like this 3-level waterfall that comes into this little secret cave. How's this? That's pretty amazing. The waterfalls are getting better and better. This is a very cool one, but I think they're only going to get better the further up we go. Wow. Look at this place, man. There's honestly very, very few people have been up to this sort of area. This is really special. It's obviously getting later in the day. We've still got a couple of hours to go, but hopefully we can get there before dark. Go, Fran.
Why do you get me in the most awkward?
Go, Fran, you can do it. Woohoo, everybody's cheering for you, Fran. You can get there. All right, we're taking the high road because the water is too deep through this little section. What is that? Oh, we've made it. We've almost made it. Check that out. Where are you, Fran? Man, we're enclosed in this like natural amphitheater, and this waterfall is absolutely incredible. Look at that. Yes! Good job. Man, have a go at this place. This is absolutely incredible. That walk wasn't incredible, very challenging, but we've made it just in time. Last of the sun setting over one of the truly most incredible waterfalls I've ever seen. Wow. 3, 2, 1, last one in's the rotten egg.
No, you've rotten it.
how clear's the water. Oh wow. Was it worth the walk? It was a hell of a walk, so I was actually saying to myself, it needs to be like literally the best waterfall in Australia to make it worth it. But I don't think it's too far off, hey? How cool is this?
So weird. And tomorrow morning, we're going to try and get to the top. That'll be epic.
Sweet potato for dinner. Good job, Fran. That's where we're going to sleep tonight. And that is the waterfall that made it all worthwhile. One of the things we were so excited by on this trip was coming to places where just people, you know, really don't get to come to, and we've obviously found that here, a really special spot. And it's one of, like I've been saying, Australia's best kept secrets, but to get here, man, it was such a mission. Definitely pushed ourselves out of our comfort zone, big long slog. The walk was, yeah, I think we could only sort of share snippets with you guys because of the battery problem, but man, it was tough going. It was really, really tough going, but we made it, and now it's all happy days. We're gonna enjoy the night here. We don't have, well, we're not very well prepared to sleep tonight. It looks like there's some clouds around, so fingers crossed it doesn't rain on us. Otherwise, we're just literally gonna have to cop it. But I'm gonna switch cameras off now. We'll see you bright and early in the morning. Righto, good morning guys. We've just had one of the most special nights. Like, it was one of those nights that the camera just couldn't do it justice, you know, swimming at the base of that waterfall at like midnight. It was just so incredible. And we lit a good sized fire, and kind of like the shadow of us swimming was all lit up on the waterfall and the rock face. It was incredible, like the size of giants, where our shadows were. It was just something really magic about that. It was such an amazing night until we wanted to go to sleep, and like last night it just rained and rained and rained. So we had no shelter, there's nowhere to set up a good camp here, so we literally just copped it. And poor Fran, I don't think she got a wink of sleep, but waking up at a spot like this is why we do it, eh? This makes it all worthwhile. This is absolutely incredible. Let me spin this camera around. Yes. All right. Let me give you a look at the view, eh? Now this is what getting back to basics is all about. Phew.